Hey everyone! With the holidays just around the corner, I know it's a time when we all want to look and feel our best. But between the parties, family visits, and all the festive chaos, it's easy for our usual routines to feel a little rushed. So, I thought it would be the perfect time for a gentle Christmas beauty reset. This isn't about a complete overhaul or buying a bunch of new products. It's really about going back to the basics with a few thoughtful tweaks that can help you feel refreshed, confident, and ready to enjoy all the special moments. In this guide, we'll walk through everything from simple skin and hair tips to easy fashion choices, and most importantly, how to nurture that inner glow. Think of it as a friendly little checklist to help you feel polished and put together, while still keeping things relaxed and manageable. If you're excited to get started and want more tips like these, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps me know what you enjoy. I'd also love to hear from you. So drop a comment below telling me what part of your routine you're most excited to reset. Whether you're preparing for a big party or just want to feel a little more festive during your daily routine, I hope you find a tip or two that feels just right for you. Let's get started. Part 1: the skin. The holiday season is all about joy and connection, and feeling good in your own skin can make it even more special. With all the parties and family photos, you might be thinking about how to look a little more refreshed. Here are some gentle, easy ways to help your look its best and give you that extra bit of confidence. Help your skin feel smoother. With all the rich foods and indoor heating, skin can sometimes feel a bit dull. Gently exfoliating your face a couple of times a week could be a nice idea. It's a simple way to help smooth everything out, which can also help any makeup you wear look a bit more even and fresh. Try a little pre-event hydration boost. Before a big dinner or party, you might enjoy using a hydrating mask. It's a quick 15-minute ritual that can add a nice dose of moisture, helping your skin look a bit more plump and awake. Think of it as a little moment of calm before the festive fun begins. Brighten up dull winter skin. All that time spent indoors can sometimes leave our complexion looking a little tired. Using a serum with vitamin C each morning could be a great option. It's known for helping to brighten the skin, which might help you achieve that healthy, lit from within look in your holiday photos. Remember your sunscreen. Seriously. It might seem counterintuitive in winter, but sunscreen is still a good friend. On bright, snowy days or even during long car rides, your skin can still be affected by the sun. A quick layer in the morning is a simple habit that helps protect your skin all day long. Lock in moisture overnight. With all the rushing around, your skin might appreciate a little extra care at night. Using a slightly richer moisturizer before bed could help seal in hydration while you sleep. You might just wake up with softer, happier looking skin, ready for another day of holiday cheer. Part 2: the hair. While we often focus on our skin during the holidays, our hair deserves a little festive love too. Between the cold air outside and the dry heat inside, winter can be tough on your locks. Here are a few simple, gentle ways to help your hair look its softest, shiniest, and most holiday ready. Just like your skin, your hair can get thirsty in the winter. A weekly deep conditioning treatment could be a great way to combat that dry, frizzy feeling. It's a simple 10 to 15-minute ritual that can help bring back softness and manageability, leaving your hair feeling nourished and smooth. For an instant dose of shine and smoothness on the day of an event, you might try a light hair oil or serum. Just a small amount applied to the ends of your hair can help tame flyaways and add a beautiful, healthy-looking gloss. It's a quick trick that can make your style look more intentional and polished. If it's been a while, a quick trim before the festivities begin can make a big difference. It doesn't have to be a major cut, just cleaning up the ends can help your hair look instantly healthier and fuller, making any style you choose look that much better. When deciding on a holiday look, you can't go wrong with something classic. Soft, loose waves can give you a romantic, touchable look, while a sleek low bun is effortlessly chic and keeps hair off your face, perfect for enjoying a festive dinner. Both are beautiful options that feel special without requiring too much effort. Dressing up your hair can be as simple as adding a velvet bow, a pearl clip, or a sparkly barrette. It's a fun, personal touch that instantly makes any outfit, whether it's a cozy sweater or a party dress, feel festive and complete. Part 3: fashion. Getting dressed for the holidays should be fun, not stressful. It's all about choosing pieces that make you feel comfortable, confident, and a little bit special. Here are a few simple ideas to help you build a look that feels both festive and authentically you. Play with shine and texture. You might think about incorporating fabrics with a subtle glow. Something with a little satin, silk, or a metallic thread can catch the light beautifully and give your outfit that extra holiday vibe. You don't need a head-to-toe look. Even one piece like a top or scarf can add that special touch. Instead of sticking to strict rules, you could have fun with colors that complement the season and your skin tone. Rich, warm reds, soft champagnes, or deep emeralds are all beautiful options that can make you look and feel radiant. The best color is often the one that makes your eyes light up when you put it on. Staying warm and looking stylish can totally go hand in hand. A great way to tie an outfit together is with a statement coat or a beautiful, chunky scarf. They look fantastic layered over simpler pieces like a solid colored dress or a nice sweater, making your look feel intentional the moment you arrive. Also, simple accessories, sometimes the smallest details, make the biggest difference. A piece of gold jewelry, like a simple necklace or a pair of hoops, can instantly make an outfit feel more polished and put together. It's a nearly effortless way to add a touch of elegance. The right shoes can really boost your confidence. If you enjoy wearing them, a heel or a sleek boot can help elongate your silhouette and add a powerful feel to your walk. Of course, if heels aren't your thing, a stylish flat or boot can look just as chic and let you enjoy the party in total comfort. When you feel good in your clothes, that inner confidence becomes your best accessory, making you shine brighter than any holiday decoration. Part 4. Self-care. While outfits and skincare are wonderful, the most memorable glow often comes from the little details and how you feel on the inside. Here are a few final touches to help you feel polished, present, and genuinely joyful throughout the holiday season. Whether you treat yourself to a salon visit or have a cozy night in with an at-home kit, a fresh manicure can be a lovely touch. Classic nude shades, a festive red, or a bit of glitter can make your hands look instantly more put together every time you reach for a cookie or raise a glass. Choose a cozy, festive scent. Your fragrance can be a subtle part of the holiday atmosphere. You might enjoy exploring scents with warm notes like vanilla, cinnamon, or sandalwood. A light spritz can feel like a personal hug throughout the day and become a lovely sensory memory of the season. For a smile that feels a bit brighter in photos, you could try a gentle whitening toothpaste or an occasional whitening strip. It's a simple way to boost your confidence, so you can focus on sharing your laughter and joy without a second thought. With all the indulgent treats, it can feel nice to balance things out by staying hydrated and eating some colorful fruits and vegetables when you can. Think of it as fueling your body from the inside, which helps your skin look fresh and gives you the energy to fully enjoy the celebrations. Never underestimate the power of a genuine smile and a good night's sleep. In the middle of the holiday rush, giving yourself permission to rest and choosing to find moments of joy are the true secrets to looking and feeling your best. Confidence and inner peace are, without a doubt, the most beautiful things you can wear this season. Find your balance with treats. The holiday season is full of delicious food and drinks, and it's absolutely okay to enjoy them. That said, if you notice that too much sugar or alcohol leaves your skin looking a bit dull or makes you feel more tired than usual, you might try balancing it out. Maybe you could have a glass of water between festive drinks or enjoy a nourishing meal before a party. It's all about enjoying the fun while still feeling your best. Consider a little nutritional support. With busy schedules, it can be tricky to get all the nutrients we need from food alone. This is where a simple vitamin routine could be helpful. Things like vitamin C are great for supporting your skin, while zinc can be a friend to your immune system during the colder months. Some people also find that a collagen supplement helps their hair and skin feel a bit more nourished. It might be something to look into if you feel you need an extra boost. Remember the instant confidence of good posture. This is one of the simplest and fastest glow-up tricks there is. Just pulling your shoulders back and lifting your chin a little can change how you carry yourself entirely. Good posture can make you look more confident and feel more open and engaged in conversations. It's a free and instant way to elevate your presence at any holiday gathering. Think of these not as strict rules, but as gentle suggestions to help you feel as wonderful as you look. When you feel healthy and confident on the inside, that positive energy shines through as the most beautiful glow of all. Part 5. Mindset and Wellness. With all the focus on the outside, it's easy to forget that the most beautiful glow we can have comes from how we feel on the inside. The holidays can be a bit overwhelming, so here are a few gentle reminders to help you nurture your mind and spirit, which truly makes everything else shine brighter. Set a positive tone for the season. Instead of putting pressure on yourself to create a perfect holiday, you might try setting a simple, positive intention. It could be something like focusing on finding little moments of joy or prioritizing connection with loved ones. Releasing the need for everything to be just so can be a huge relief and lets you actually enjoy the magic of the season. Try a tiny gratitude habit. This is a small thing that can really shift your whole perspective. Taking just a moment each day to quietly think of one or two things you're grateful for, like a warm drink, a kind word, or a festive decoration, can be a powerful way to lift your mood. It helps tune your brain into the good stuff, making you feel lighter and more present. Give yourself permission to unplug. It's so easy to get caught up in scrolling and comparing our behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. If you're feeling drained, it might be helpful to take a short break from social media. Even stepping away for an evening can give your mind a chance to reset and help you feel more connected to your own life and the people right in front of you. Find simple ways to move. You don't need a long, intense workout to feel the benefits of movement. Just getting outside for a 10-minute walk, or even putting on your favorite music and dancing around the living room can work wonders. It gets your blood flowing, clears your head, and can give you a little boost of energy and confidence that carries through your entire day. By taking care of your inner world, you'll naturally carry yourself with a warmth and confidence that makes you truly radiant, feeling peaceful, happy, and present. Part 6. Beauty and Aesthetics. Sometimes, the smallest changes to your beauty routine can make you feel incredibly polished and festive. Here are a few simple ideas that focus on enhancing your natural features, so you can feel camera-ready for all those holiday moments. Groom your brows for a polished look. You might not think about it often, but your eyebrows are so important. They're like the frame for your beautiful face. Just gently brushing them into place and making sure they're neat can make your entire face look more awake and structured. It's a tiny step that makes a big difference. Have fun with a festive lip color. A pop of color on your lips is one of the easiest ways to feel dressed up. You could try a classic red for a bold look, a cozy berry tone, or a soft nude that goes with everything. It's a simple way to tie your whole look together and add a bit of holiday cheer. Define your jawline with simple exercises. If you're thinking about making your facial contours look a bit more defined, there are some gentle exercises you could explore. Something as simple as tilting your head back and smiling or practicing good posture throughout the day can help. Experiment with makeup styles that inspire you. Makeup can be such a fun way to express your mood. If you're looking for inspiration, you might explore different styles. For a soft, romantic look, you could try elements of Korean makeup, which often focuses on dewy skin and gentle colors. Or for something sweet and playful, Douyin-style makeup with its glossy lips and cute eye effects could be a fun option. The best part is playing with looks that make you feel happy and confident. These are just ideas for you to play with to find what makes you feel most like yourself, just a bit more festive. When you feel good, that confidence shines through and becomes your best accessory. And that wraps up our Christmas beauty reset. I hope you found a few simple tips that you're excited to try to help you feel refreshed and confident this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, it would mean so much if you'd subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps support this channel so I can keep making content you love. I'd also love to hear about your own tips or which idea from this video you're going to try first, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you a beautiful, glowing, and restful holiday season. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.